Welcome to JSR Voice. Now I want to discuss with you a few key points related to income from business. So, income from business is one of the head uh, in total incomes. SSC may have five heads of income. One is income from salary, the other one is income from house property, third one is income from business or profession, fourth one is income from capital gains, and fifth one is income from other sources. So here I want to discuss briefly how to do problem under income from business or profession. So here I am just taking one example question and I will show you how to do the solution in a brief manner. Let us go and discuss that. Whenever you want to do any calculations of income from business, so they will give you the question like this. They will give you one question in profit and loss account format. So they will give like this. Following is a profit and loss account of Srimati Pushpalata. Compute income from business and calculate tax liability. So tax liability is always not compulsory that you will get in the examination. So income from business they may give you surely. Okay, how to calculate income from business. Tax liability calculation sometimes they give you, sometimes they don't give. Okay, so here how to calculate income from business I will tell you in a brief way. So question will be like this. They will give you profit and loss account and debit side some items, credit side some items will be given, and some additional information will be given to you. Okay, so here you will get net profit. So you have to concentrate on few points in the question. Okay, and how to do the solution that I will tell you. So first in solution what you have to do is you have to draw columns, particulars column, amount column. This one also, middle one also is amount column. Okay, so on the top you should write computation of assessee name. Okay, income from business for the assessment year. Your assessment year you should write 2024 and 25. So always for all the five heads of income heading is same, but head is going to change. If you calculate income from salary, we will call it as computation of Sri Govind Charan Singh's income from salary for the assessment year 2024 and 25. If it is income from business, we will write like this. Okay, so this is clear. And the particulars amount columns you should draw. Always first item is in question net profit will be available, that should be taken. So here I have taken just examples. A question is different and answer whatever I took is different, just I want to show you how to write it. Okay, don't go with amounts, just see the format what I am taking here. Hope this is clear for everyone. So because the question whatever I took that is different and solution box whatever I selected that is different, just I want to show you how to deal with that, how to do that, what is the procedure of calculation of income from business or profession. Okay, so let us see that. First net profit should be taken. Okay, in the answer we should take in the first place net profit as per profit and loss account. Whatever amount is given there, that should be taken in second column, students. Under that four headings are there. So remember, always four headings will be there. First one is add. What you should write? Inadmissible expenses. Underline that. Plus or add inadmissible expenses. Okay, and you should leave gap because so many items you will get only under inadmissible expenses. Next, second head is less. Income to be shown under other heads. This is a second head. Okay, so income should to be shown under other head. That is a second head. You will get few items, very few items under remaining three heads, students. Only in first head you will get some items. And third head is deductions. This also you have to deduct less deductions. Okay, only first one that is inadmissible expenses add, second one less only. Okay, incomes to be shown under other heads, and next third one is again less only, that is deductions. Okay, here also will get very few items, sometimes you don't get. Okay, and next fourth one is add unrecorded incomes or revenues. These are total four heads. Here it is highlighted. Okay, but what you have to do is in your answer first you should write net profit as per profit and loss account, put the amount in the amount column, and four heads you have to write by leaving gap space, but for inadmissible expenses leave so much of gap, because more items will come. But in under remaining heads, very few items, sometimes you don't get items also. Okay, so you write all the headings and you draw one line, you underline that. Then inadmissible expenses. Inadmissible expenses, for that what you have to see is, go to the question, check debit side items only. Okay, so debit side, actually we should not write in this question, but they have recorded. So those items we should pick and we should record under inadmissible expenses. Okay, I will repeat that. In the question, debit side, they have recorded in the question, but those should not be recorded as per Income Tax Act. We should see what are those items that should not be recorded in profit and loss account debit side, and we should collect that and we should record in the answer under inadmissible expenses. Okay, so what are those items, you will get doubt. Mostly some items are there. Provisions, provision for doubtful debts, interest on capital, personal expenses of the owner, like birthday party expenses. Okay, puja expenses at his home. Puja expenses in the company is allowed, that we should not write, that is not inadmissible. Okay, so puja, personal puja expenses, if it is performed at home, any personal expenses, interest on capital, provision for doubtful debts, any provisions. Okay, so cash purchases also we should record under inadmissible expenses. Okay, so if any personal expenses related to owner, those also we should record under inadmissible only. Remember all this. Okay, and next one item is, if depreciation is there in question on the debit side, and depreciation is available in the information, additional information also, then what you have to do is, the depreciation whatever is available in profit and loss account debit side, that you should record under inadmissible expenses. And additional information depreciation, this one, okay, 58,000, you should write under deductions. Okay, you should write under third head. Okay, so if you get any depreciation like this in two places, so one depreciation in the P&L account and other depreciation here in the additional information. So P&L account depreciation you should record under inadmissible expenses, means in the first head. Okay, here in the first head. And next, additional information depreciation you should record under deductions, that is in the third head here. Hope this is clear, student. Okay, so suppose sometimes you have only one depreciation, they did not give in information, so don't touch the depreciation, don't write anywhere in the answer. Okay, so this is about inadmissible expenses, students. And next, second head is incomes to be shown under other heads. For this purpose you should go to question, you should refer credit side items. Okay, so business related incomes you don't touch, any other incomes are there, then you should record under second head. Okay, so profit on sale of old machinery, so that is what actually capital gain. If we sell any asset, if we get any profit, that is capital gain, we should not show here, so record under second head, that is incomes to be shown under other heads. Okay, profit on sale of empty bags, that is related to business only, some bags are there, empty bags, they sold it. Okay, so bad debts recovered, if any bad debts recovered is given, if it is allowed earlier, then you should write under incomes to be shown under other heads. If it is not allowed, then don't write under incomes to be shown under other heads. Hope this is clear. Like this, credit side, if any other incomes are there, okay, like interest on securities, okay, anything like that, then you should record under incomes to be shown under other heads. Okay, and next, third head is deductions. So under deductions mostly you will get depreciation only, students. Okay, and some other items also are there, but you have to go in depth in this chapter. But depreciation, if it is given in information, additional information, you should write under deductions. Okay, and next, fourth head is unrecorded incomes. They will give you in additional information, some incomes are there but not recorded in the profit and loss account credit side, so you should write under unrecorded incomes. Okay, if you get anything like that, you should write under unrecorded incomes. Then what you have to do is, the items whatever are writing here, you should put in the first column only those amounts, and next you should add those and record in the second column. So these all items we have to add and we should record in the second column. Okay, and this item value also we should record in the second column, and these two items values we should record in the second column, and last head items record in the add it and record in the second column. Now you have to do totals of second column. First you have 9 lakhs, so this 2,23,000 is add, so add to 9 lakhs you will get 11,23,000. Next you have 15,000. 15,000 is a less item. Okay, you should deduct. So deduct from 11,23,000 you will get 11,08,000. Next one is 55,000 students. Okay, so this one is again under less only. So under less only. So what you have to do is you have to deduct this 55,000 from the previous amount. You will get 10,53,000. And last one is add students. Okay, this head is add. So 88,000 is total. 88,000, 10,53,000 you add, you will get 11,41,000. So that is your answer, income from business. Okay, hope this is clear. So you will get some items under first head and very few items in the remaining head. Sometimes you don't get any items under any one head. Okay, this is very brief discussion that I shared with you all due to request of few students. But if you want any clear information, we should have knowledge on all rules and regulations under this chapter. That is why I am not going to touch that. Whenever I want to discuss with you, then that time I will discuss with you completely one by one. So this is just a brief discussion before the examination. This video I made due to request of few students. Hope this is clear to some extent. So like the video, share it and subscribe the channel. Thank you.